Okay guys, we're here in Farmington today. We are going to install a front porch on a house. I'll talk to you about in a minute. We came a couple days before and we installed this trellis, pergola trellis. Anybody know the difference between a pergola and a trellis? So in my thought process, my idea is a trellis goes on the front of the garage, is a little more delicate, intricate, more detail, and a pergola is a little more bulky, bigger, freestanding. So anyway, trellis. Did a little trellis on the front of this garage, some knee braces, and I think it adds quite a bit to the front of this house. Later, we're doing this truss right here on the ground. We use our trusty forklift, and it's gonna go right over here. We're taking that eave off the front of the house. We got the orange ladder set up, and I don't know if you can see, but we've got a couple of concrete footings over here. Got a footing bracket connect back to the house right there. We got a fake column going up against the house. Two out of here. Gonna take these eaves off the house. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna add a lot to the front of this house. We're pretty excited.
I can cut it.
Carson, what do you think, dude? You did the majority of that cutting up there, even though Hainline wants to take all the credit.
Nah, you helped a lot. If it wasn't for you pulling it off, we'd still be up there.
Yeah, dude, you got it. But a good demo is a good prep, right?
That's true.
Why'd you put the ladder in front of the window?
So we didn't have all that stuff there ripping out go through the window. In case it went back towards the house, we had the ladder there. Pick the ladder instead of go through the window.
You didn't want to shatter a window, huh?
Yeah, no. Go and put the window up.
Nice, dude.
All the crap.
What are you doing up there, dude?
Dude, I'm ripping out.
You come out on site even with a boot, dude. You climb a ladder. Pretty.
They had to call the big guns here, dude.
They don't call you Tomahawk / Hainline for nothing, huh?
Slash Romeo
Slash.
Westchester.
Okay, we just ripped off the two eaves on the house up here. The guys have to clean the trim and get it all ready. Now we're gonna bring in the truss to the brackets, which is over there, hooked to the lift. So the tie-ins, they can be a little difficult. I had to pull some shingles off, tar paper flashing, and you want to make sure you do it right. If you don't, you're going to have water damage, or it's just not going to look right. That's the biggest thing. You want it to look good. You want it to look right. So here we go. Attached some half posts to the wall. We attached them with big screws into the studs, as you can see. So we got the two side beams in, and now we're going to set the ridge beam. And these guys will carry our rafters, our decorative rafters. And the rafters will carry the tongue and groove ceiling. And then on this particular one, we will build like a fake cavity out of some 2x4s and then sheet it. Carson's been working on this ridge beam pocket
Forever.
probably all morning. So a lot of gnarly wood in there, pretty old house, nails, screws,
they can't find me.
and yeah, it is what it is. So I got here behind me the the rafters that go in the front, and you got outriggers on the front to carry the barge, tongue and groove, and then you got the rafters. Those blocks will go right over the truss we just set. And then you've got this first rafter. If you notice, we did a dovetail mortise and a screw. Make sure that this thing is strong. So we're just getting ready to set this on top of our truss over here. So it's looking pretty cool, man. That's gonna look sick right up there. So stay tuned. Well guys, it's been a great, busy day. We've got a lot done. We've got all the timber work up and almost the roof. So you guys can see we're doing tongue and groove down here, tied into the house nicely. We're also running some wires. So we had to run some electrical for a sconce. Goes up through, it's gonna go over down into tie into that old sconce. We are not electricians, but we figure we could at least run the wire without mucking it up. So kind of hard to do that all at once, but yeah, it turned out pretty. Well, not bad for a day's work and for our first time ever doing this, huh, Christian?
First time? Oh yeah. Watch the YouTube video on the way in.
Yeah, we did. That was a funny thing. We watched a YouTube video on the way here and figured it out, and man, it went pretty smooth, huh, guys? Good stuff. So stay tuned for the finish, and we got some more awesome projects coming up that we'll put on here, and keep you guys in the know. And hopefully you can go and try this out yourselves, or hire us. We'll come and do it. We love it. So I'm here with Melvin Hiller, who's the homeowner at this lovely house. And if you saw Melvin, you'd think he was 65, right? But he's a little older than that. He's got some age behind him, some knowledge and some good experience. And man, I've really enjoyed visiting with Melvin about things. And what's your take? I know that you want to dress the front of your house up a little bit. Well, what's the take on who we are and what we did for you?
Well, I tried to find somebody that was old enough to know what he's doing.
Wait, I'm not that old.
Yeah, you look old.
Says the little gray, I guess. How confident are you on your measurements, dude?
Oh, spot on.
Spot on.
Yeah.
Always good to be on spot on.
A
Huh?
little more worried about this. Christian's already dropped one thing on me.
Dude, did he injure you?
Yeah, I'm injured. I'm hurt.
Dude, safety first for the fans, dude. What are you out here wearing PPE for the fans?
I got safety glasses.
Look at those boots, dude.
Toe boots.
Where's your hard hat at, dude?
No hard hat, unfortunately.
Don't tell people no hard
No
hat.
hard hat.
It's in the truck.
It's in the truck.
Are you coughing?
Yeah, dude.
You got COVID?
No, dude. This stuff is dirty.
Why aren't you wearing your mask?
Well, sometimes you just gotta get stuff done.
Whoa, dude. Okay.
That's a quote right there.
Get it done.
Save that for later.
All right.
Hey, you got a cul-de-sac?